and gentlemen, boys and girls, brothers and sweet, sweet sisters, welcome to Raw is Jericho, baby! So I am back with another reaction, CASHNASTY versus DMB Nation, Damien, Battle of the Hairlines. So I'm assuming it's a one-on-one basketball games. And before I get to my reaction, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it only takes 1 second to subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Twitter. Last time was anytime. Yo, let's get to this reaction. Oh, those are some nice ass Nikes though, bruh. Hey, look at that skill. It's time.
Everybody, man, I got my boy Damien here, bro. You gotta know time in this, bro. We are about to do a 1v1. Now, you guys know, you guys want me to get exposed every time, cash, you trash, blah, blah, blah. This is somebody's chance right here to expose me, all right? My jump shot broke, like you guys always say, all right? We did a 3-point competition on his channel. Make sure you guys check it out down below in the description. Him and his girl Bianca.
The jump shots were horrible.
Check them out. You ready for the match right here, dog? Let's get it. I'm just right now, right? Huh? I'm going court, dog. I ain't got no friends. You got no friends? Okay, cool. Hey, it's gonna be an intense game. Let's get it.
He has a better jumper, I think.
Here we go, man. We've been waiting for this career.
Wow! NBA 2K! That's what he got! From on, baby! Hey! Bang! On his...
Good job, babe!
Okay!
Yeah, I know he has that jumper. Let's go. Come on. I know he got that dribble. Hey! Hey! Nice cross! Come on! Come on! Stay back! Do you know?
Okay.
3-0.
What is it, 3-0? 3-0.
Come on.
Where I go?
Damn!
Oh my god, I'm impressed.
Yo!
Okay.
Come on, what's that defense, bro?
Okay.
There you go. First miss. See what he got. Let's go, Damien.
Bruh.
Bruh. Bruh. Yo. Oh. That's what you got. Oh. Whoa. Let's figure out this dribbling. Nah, man. Oh. 6-0. Good read, good read. Good. Oh, got blocked! Oh, nice.
Bruh.
Bruh. Yeah.
Don't do me like
Come
that,
on,
dog.
man. How you gonna do him dirty like that?
Here we go. Here we go.
Come on. Got that triple threat, baby. Let's go. Hey, got him again, got him. Got him. That was easy. He's much quicker than Damien. Much quicker than Damien. Got it. Got this. Just go in and out. Yo, jumper's wet. Wet.
Let's go.
That crossover. Got him. He's slower. Come on, man. Got him.
Oh my God. You can have that. You can have that. Let's go.
It's wet. Was it a comeback? Do I feel a comeback? It's a comeback. What happened? I don't know what happened. Come on, cameraman.
Game one.
One more.
Trying to get these. Keep putting their body on. Respect, dog. Salute. That's the only person I play who ain't scared to play D on. Only person. Shots fired.
Yeah, I saw that. That shit was a dope. When he cussed over, what's his name? What? Oh man, it's a comeback. Yo, play some defense, man. About to lose. Hey, got him. Bruh, came back.
I think I got my swagger back.
Hardest game.
Alright, man. Yeah, my hailing. I think it was a 3-point contest.
It was, though. You would shoot them bitches with these, nigga. Good shit. All right, guys. That was an exhausting ass game. He came back.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
TSC got your niggas back. Channel down below in the description.
Was it 12-9?
29. He did better flight and boy better defense. He channel down below in the description. We out this bitch. Yeet.
Hey, peace. Yeah, man, I was impressed that Damien came back because he was down. It was like 6-0, and he came back. It was really impressive. Yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please I hope you guys enjoyed my video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.